Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to season food using even distribution, tasting as you go, and mastering the two-finger and three-finger pinch techniques. Fun fact, salt was once so valuable that it was used as currency. This is where the word celery comes from. Let's start with salt. Hold your hand about 8 to 10 inches above the food. This height helps the salt fall in a wide, even pattern. This is the two-finger pinch, using your thumb, index, and middle finger. It's great for light, precise seasoning like finishing eggs or vegetables. Fun fact, peppercorns are actually dried berries from a flowering vine. For larger items like chicken, steak, or fish, use the three-finger pinch, thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. This delivers a broader, more generous seasoning layer. Fun fact, in medieval Europe, black pepper was so valuable it was worth more than gold. Freshly ground black pepper brings brightness and aroma. For drying spices, add them early so they bloom during cooking. Fresh herbs, add them at the end to keep their color and punch. Fun fact, saffron is the world's most expensive spice. It takes about 75,000 crocus flowers to make a single pound. Season in layers. Add a little, taste, then adjust. Repeat. Have extra spoons handy. If your dish tastes flat, it probably needs a touch more salt. If it's too salty, balance with acid like lemon juice or a hint of sweetness like honey. Fun fact, ancient Egyptians used cinnamon during the embalming process for its aroma and preserving qualities. And that's it. With the two-finger pinch, the three-finger pinch, and these simple seasoning techniques, you'll be elevating your meals in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, have fun cooking.